Hi, buddy. What are you doing back there? Hi, baby. Hi, boo-boo. Okay, we're going out and talking to some more people.
Like waking up late
Oh,
this morning. We
good
had a little too
morning.
much tequila last night.
Boy. So what's the name of your channel?
Step by step vans.
Step by Step Vans.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be looking for you on YouTube.
All right.
And your friend was just telling me that you do a rocking job of being an artist and fixing up your van here.
I have. It's a little messy right now because it was like one of those tequila nights. But if you want to watch me clean it, I'll take you in for a tour.
I'll just take a peek. I'll take a peek. How's that?
And, my friend Danielle's in here right
Hi,
now.
Danielle. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Good.
Okay
I'm just
being
gonna
on
take a
video,
peek in here.
Danielle?
Peek.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
She's
take
got
a
a
peek.
YouTube channel too.
You do? What's your
I'm
YouTube?
I'm Daring Danielle on YouTube and Instagram.
Daring Danielle. Daring Danielle. Okay, good. Here's my card.
Thank you.
I'm just cleaning up because I got to go work on vans.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go build stuff today, but
Nice.
and we're watching YouTube videos right now. Too. So
Love
this
it.
is my this is all made from barnwood. Not barnwood, pallets. I'm sorry, we're doing his in barnwood.
Okay.
And I found all the pallets like on the back of the restaurants and whatnot, and like got it and painted it. And then this sink is actually from a restaurant. It's so everything in here is pretty much recycled. And then my cabinets are, this is the tree of life. So you've got the mountains here and the ocean over there.
Oh, wow.
And then see the tree here. This is like the tree. And so I call it the tree of life because it comes up and goes like that. And I'm going to add copper to it. I'm going to do a copper wrap on this. I wrap jewelry as well. And so she's wearing one.
Yeah, this one is
And I make these wraps. And I go find the stones and make the wraps.
Pretty.
And so I'm going to do a wrap on my tree that's going to be copper, and it's going to go up and it's going to have penny leaves that I'm going to hammer and have the leaves coming up, and that's going to be the piece de la resistance
Nice.
for the thing here.
Very cool.
And so things that are not good about this thing is like the knives right here. They're kind of headhunters when you're driving. Sometimes they fly up, but they always end up in the sink.
Oh, good.
Thank God for gravity.
Yeah.
But a lot of people put a piece of a board right here,
Right.
and then put their knives there.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you're building a van, that's
Watch
what you
your
need to do. Right here. Right, just give it an extra inch and put it right there so that the knives don't
fly.
get you.
Very
And
cool.
then if most people don't have a foot pump. I have a foot pump.
Your water.
Squirt gun.
Nice.
Right there, and that's amazing.
Yeah.
And it doles out the water in a way that, you know, the electric pumps are really cool and like, but they're just cool. They're not.
Right.
This is functional.
Right. This is really.
And
cool.
I got that idea from my sailboat. I used to have a sailboat.
Oh, perfect. Yeah,
Uh,
that's such a good transition.
Now I'm in the
huh?
land yacht.
So, what's your favorite thing about the van build so far?
The van build is just people helping each other and meeting like-minded people.
Nice.
is amazing. That's been the fun part.
That's the best part.
And just because everybody's on the same page pretty much, and or getting to be on the same page, and so that interaction is nice.
So nice. So
Yeah.
cool. And how about you? What's your favorite part so far?
My favorite part about the van build definitely is meeting all the other van lifers
Yeah.
and kind of making plans for future van meetups
Yes.
and rendezvous
So
and get-togethers.
cool. Oh,
and
that's so
yeah,
nice.
it's just such a sweet community.
Well, thank you guys. You guys have a wonderful day, and we
too.
will see you
Yay.
on YouTube.
Yay!
Bye. Well, that's it, guys, for the 2018 van build in Parker, Arizona. I hope you enjoyed the people that I've met and the interviews that we've been able to get to see. And I am heading out of Parker, Arizona. Adios. Mwah. Jesus loves you. Bye.